person prefers to use machines instead of free weights. I don't have very good form with using weights at the gym, but with the machines, I feel like I can actually move a lot of weight without worrying about hurting myself. Yeah, so honestly, if this is the case for you, if using machines instead of free weights lowers the barriers for you to working out, 100% use machines instead of free weights. I will say though, there is a lot of good use for learning how to do free weights simply by watching videos, getting a personal trainer, anything like that, because a lot of the free weight movements are similar to stuff that we do in our daily lives, like squatting, like deadlifting or picking something off the ground, like doing a push up off the ground. These are all movements that we do numerous times, or at least can have the opportunity to do numerous times through the day. Something like lunging. We do lunging all day where we lean and get onto the ground with one foot, lunging down like that. So they're very helpful and useful to build movement patterns that we do in daily life. Also, machines keep you in a rigid, fixed plane of motion, and life is not always rigid and fixed in a plane. There's going to be times where you're doing a movement in daily life and your body gets turned out of whack or moves slightly. So a lot of the stabilizing muscles aren't getting worked by doing machines. So you may get a little more stiff. You may not be able to move in positions quite as well because you're literally training just the muscles and not really the full joint specifically to be handle all those tough stabilization tasks that you might have in a normal everyday life. So that's basically to consider it.